Chelsea here from Blondies. I'm here with Josh, my partner. He was with us for another video that I did for how to do men's eyebrows. And, and for today, we're gonna do a eyelash tint on his eyelashes. You could show everyone your eyelashes.
My eyelashes are really light.
Just close your eyes.
Ooh, they're really long.
They're gonna be so marvelous, so beautiful, because they're long, and then when we tint them dark, they're gonna really stand out and his eyes are gonna pop. Now, Josh was a little nervous about doing it. We kind of had a laugh about it last night. It's gonna be a little bit different. Your eyes are gonna definitely pop, so everyone will get to see the end results and see how it goes.
Yeah, I kind of agreed to this thinking that I could just wash it off and it'd be back to normal. But then last night she told me that it was gonna be like that for at least a couple of weeks, and I went, okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
I'm here. So.
Yeah. Thought it would be different having you do it. There are some men that it really works well on if you have really like blonde eyelashes. I have done an eyelash tint on a man that had very blonde eyebrows and very blonde eyelashes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Reflectasil. It's a blue-black. Vegetable tint, vegetable dye. Only gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes. And when he's marinating, his eyes are closed for about 15 minutes, I'm gonna put on a face mask that I have created for his skin type, which is for dry skin, so it's really gonna hydrate his skin. So when we're done with the eyelashes, take them off, take off the mask, he's gonna be glowing with like eyelashes, and his skin's gonna look fresh. It's gonna look so good. So excited?
I'm excited.
No. Okay.
Personalized face mask.
The first step, I'm putting some Vaseline on this Q-tip here, and I'm gonna put it underneath his eyes, just so that if there's any tint that gets underneath, it won't stay on the skin. So just have you look up. Nervous?
Say goodbye to your light eyelashes.
Then I'm gonna put these little pads underneath his eyes on each side, and then just paint on the tint. And here we go. I like to put it on really thick.
I was gonna say.
Yeah, so that it really, really like darkens your eyelash. When you put it on too thin, it just doesn't last as long. This is gonna be...
Oh, so you could have put it on thinner? Bib.
So Josh is a garbage man, so I'm sure all the guys at work are going to wonder what's different about you.
I bet they'll notice something's different, but they'll have no clue.
Yeah.
Or if they do notice it, they just won't say anything.
Oh yeah. For the mask, I've mixed together a couple ingredients. The first ingredient I put in was Rasool clay, which is the clay base for this mask. It's good for eliminating blackheads, it draws out impurities from pores, calming and hydrating, and is good for sensitive skin. The next ingredient I put in is aloe vera powder. It's full of antioxidants and minerals, helps healing, and is moisturizing. The third ingredient I put in is the kelp powder. It's high in iodine and minerals, helps moisturize and soften skin. The last ingredient I put in is the cocoa powder, which we all need. It's full of antioxidants and blocks harmful free radicals in the body. Altogether, when you mix these all in a little bowl, it's a great mask and it helps hydrate and soften your skin.
It's nice and cool on my skin. Get down.
pad and then just take a little pad and just remove the eyelash tint as well. So I just take my time with it and I just use water. So thanks for being a trooper with this.
What we do for love.
Oh my god. So for Josh's skin, I did a hydrating mask, which means I'm gonna put a hydrating cream on. So I use the Very Rich cream for his skin. Just keep your eyes closed still. A little bit underneath his eyes here. See, the eyelashes are really dark, and his face is glowing.
Oh.
How do you like it?
It's different. I expected it to be stronger,
Yeah.
which is nice because I thought it was gonna be like, I thought it was gonna look like I was wearing mascara, but it just looks like I have dark eyelashes now. It's good.
You don't mind it? It's not as bad as you thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like, wait, I thought it was gonna be like, it looked like somebody else's eyelashes were on my face,
Yeah.
but it just looks like my eyelashes.
Yeah. Yeah, so there you have it. That's the eyelash tint. It's really simple, easy, 20 minutes, and I usually give like a hand massage to my clients while they're relaxing.
What? How come I didn't get a hand massage?
You got a mask today.
Oh.
You got a face mask. So how does your skin feel, by the way?
Feels delicious. It's nice and smooth.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Okay. If you want to learn more information on the eyelash tint, you can check out my website. It is blondiesvictoria.com. I have easy online booking too. So anyways, have a great rest of your day, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye!